What, you think I'm fucking funny?
I like clowns.
Yeah?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Take a picture, it lasts longer.
So a video. You're taking a video.
You want the whole movie, huh?
I'm just going to set it down and not tell y'all that I'm doing it.
I'll take the porn.
Oh, God. I forgot about that.
That one lady, and then
when we
so then I'm
still good, right?
yeah, another sip or two. By the time we get back, I'll be ready. Nothing like drinking beer on a nice cloudy day. Or rainy. Or sunny. Snowy. It's just nice to drink beer.
There's nothing else. I walked through that common.
I ran into her later. She just come right out and he was like, "Who the fuck is this?" She had her glasses on and she was like, I was like, "Oh hey." She gave me a hug and was like, "Good to meet you guys." I was like, "I'll be careful." She was like,
the girl that wanted to tape the porn.
She was like, "Did they just say porn?"
Because they were saying on the intercom, no porn. It's horns, but we thought they were saying no porn.
They're saying no horns.
Yeah, that's what I said, no horns.
Right. And the only reason we know that is because the people told us.
The cop with the uniform that I wanted to.
He's like, "That's what we thought too." I was like, "So horns allowed?"
We make it horns. Trumpet horns?
Air horn?
Like,
Oh! I get it now. Air horns. Air horns. Air horns? Air horns. What does this chick look like that wanted to take this porn? Was she, like, worth it?
nah. She has some
like
36, 24, 36.
She had some big boobs.
Where did I miss her at?
It's after you had your accident.
I didn't believe that. I accidentally fell asleep.
Yeah.